Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix missing hotspot on iPhone. If the personal hotspot option is missing on your iPhone, it may be caused by your cellular settings, carrier configuration, or network settings. In many cases, checking your mobile data and updating your device can restore the missing option. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue and get personal hotspot working again. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the cellular or mobile data. Make sure your cellular data is turned on and check whether personal hotspot appears in the settings menu. And if you don't see it, tap the cellular data network and verify that the personal hotspot APN settings are provided by your carrier if required. Now tap personal hotspot if it is now available. Restart your iPhone to refresh its network services. Check for carrier settings update by going to Settings, General, About, and install it if prompted. Update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS if an update is available. Next, go to the Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Reconnect your cellular network after restart and check whether personal hotspot has returned. Finally, if the option is still missing, contact Apple support or your carrier for additional assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.